Barchaga assalomu alaykum do'stlar. Kanalimga xush kelibsiz. Bugungi videoda biz challenge qilamiz shaxmat bo'yicha. 3200 reytingga ega bo'lgan kompyuter botga qarshi chess.com-dagi o'shanga qarshi o'ynab ko'ramiz. Qanaqa natija bo'ladi? Nechta yurishgacha chidab tura olaman? Agar qiziq bo'lsa, videoni ko'rishni davom eting. Demak, mana ko'rib turibsizlar, chess.com saytidaman. Hozir botda murabbiylarni reytingini tanlash mumkin. Mana boshlang'ich 400, tipi novice, o'rta bosqich, intermediate, maximum, Grandmaster 2008 reyting. Hozir 3200 maximum reytingga qarshi o'ynaymiz. Qani ko'ramiz. Nechta yurish deb tura olaman. Mana boshladik unda.
I'll take the black pieces. Good luck.
Tak, ketdi. Men oqda o'ynayman. 3200 lik coach David esa polshalik. Bitta o'sha mana ketdi. Nima bilan D4 bilan boshlaymiz.
Moving your queen's pawn first? A good choice. A standard response. What opening will you choose? Defending your pawn, but there are more active ways to play. That's a familiar looking move, don't you think?
Reytingli maximum reytinglarga shoh beramiz.
How will I deal with this?
To'g'ri qilding deyapti.
My pawn move is both defensive and offensive, wouldn't you say?
Yana orqaga qaytamiz.
You moved your bishop out of trouble. Good. I'm developing my knight and fighting for center control. A solid opening move. I approve. Time to develop my knight and put it on a square where it's more useful.
Buni o'yinni xodini o'rganmoqchiman. Hozir demak ot bilan bu yoqqa chiqyapti. Demak keyingi yurishlar bu yoqqa kelishi mumkin. Men nima qilsam bo'ladi? Ikkinchi ot topib chiqamiz. Bu demak
a strong developing move that protects the center. Bishops like seeing as many squares as possible.
Demak, hozir bu yoqqa kelgan bo'lsam, alishimiz mumkin. Menga hozir iloji boricha almashimiz muhim menimcha. Keldim unda qilamiz hozir. Men faqat ruh bilan ura oladi, fil bilan ura oladi. Otim menga ot bilan E5 ga keladigan bo'lsam, mana shunaqa qilamiz. Bu to'g'ri deyapti, big blunder.
Your knight is underdefended and vulnerable to attack. Back we go.
Orqaga qaytamiz. Hayati yo'q, ot bilan uradigan bo'lsam, u bilan uraman. Big blunderga, mayli big blunder deyapti. Ikkita ham shans beradi. Noto'g'ri yurish qilib qo'ygan bo'lsa, shunga hozir shunga qarab yuramiz. Demak, buni oldinga olib chiqamiz.
Too many pawn moves can be a bad thing in the opening. Be careful. It's time to get my king safe and activate my rook. If you keep playing, you'll start to see patterns and themes in your own games. Finally, I can breathe. A good place for your bishop. I approve.
Demak, 9 yurish bo'ldi. Hozir otga hujum qilish mumkin. Shuning uchun bu kataga keltirmas uchun bu katani yopamiz.
Time to get my bishop in the action.
Bu 3200 reytingli kompyuter coach David. Demak, filni yurishini juda noaniq yurish topdi. Tak, buni bu yoqqa kelishini yopdik. Tak, peshga alsam mumkin, misol bu yoqqa yursam, uradigan bo'lsam, ot bilan bu yoqqa olsam. Yo. Bundan ursam, ot bilan ursam, bu darajaga qilishi mumkinmi? Tak.
I'm attacking your powerful pawn chain. You've got an isolated pawn now. It might become a target later. Of course, I must take back.
Hozir farzand uradigan bo'lsa, shoh qo'yadi. Ham menga hujum. Demak, men farzandni oldinga olib chiqishim kerak.
Hello, Your Majesty. Some of your pieces are seeing their lives flash before their eyes.
Ma'lum mumkin men hozir bu demak ot turadigan otni berib olishim kerak bor shunda. Tak. Solda chiqish kerak uchun. Tak. Hozir demak, buni bitta ursam bo'lmaydi. Demak, buni berib olish kerakmi? bu yerga qo'yaman. Oldingi harakat qilsachi. Hozir bu yerga qo'ysam, filni shu qo'yamiz.
Careful. You left your knight hanging. Your knight looked too good to pass up, and you take back. I'm keeping my queen safe.
Qochdi. Demek, ruhga ruhlanishamiz.
You blocked my attack on your pawn. Good. Now I have another piece attacking your pawn. Recapturing is sensible. I'll play a break in the center of the board.
Demek, piyoda yurib turib, ponni undoqsanchi.
You remove my attacking pawn. Where's the safest place for your king?
Demek, kerakli qilish kerak.
Your king is safer and your rook more active. The magic of castling. I'm attacking multiple pieces at once.
Bu hozir buni moladi. Olmasam fazilni qiladi.
Your rook looked too good to pass up. I take. You take.
Demek,
Can you see what I am threatening with this extra attacker?
yana bitta yurish amalga oshibdi. Yana bitta yurish. Piyoda turibdi bu yerda. Piyoda amir bo'ladi hozir. Yoki bu piyoda amir bo'ladi. Shuning uchun davay.
Careful, your knight is hanging. I'll take that knight, thank you.
Boshqa narsa qilmoqchidan o'xshamaydi. Okey, qaytarsa emasmikan? Xato qildim juda. Ancha o'yin tutqizdim o'zi.
That removes the defender from your pawn. Your pawn was free for the taking. Blocking is one way to deal with a check. I'll trade, thank you. That was a good way to get out a check. A free pawn, I'll take it. You do a good job of attacking and creating threats. This move adds a defender to my passed pawn. To take or not to take, that is the question. Check. Moving your king to safety as you must. To stay healthy, your king should take 10,000 steps per day. Sometimes you have to move your king, and this is one of those times. Maybe in the future, my rooks can work together. Good, defending your pawn. I'm attacking multiple pieces at once. Before you move, look for a few decent options and then try to pick the best one. Now I've created a passed pawn. You only had one option there. That's checkmate. Good game.
Checkmate. 32 yurishgacha 3200 reytingli botki demak game review qiladigan bo'lsak 7 ta xatoim bo'lgan mana bu o'yinda 3200 reytingga qarshi va hozir bitta ko'rsatadi reytingni hozir chiqarib beradi.
That was a tough game that didn't go your way. But there are some good moves to review together.
Aniqlikda o'ynagan 93. Haqiqatan super grossmeisterlarga o'xshab, mana esa 79.1 reytingda o'ynaganman. Ajoyib, unda ham yo'q, menda ham yo'q. Zo'r, unda ham yo'q, menda ham yo'q. Zo'r yurish tipi best yurish mana 8 ta, unda 19 ta, hatto 7 ta, mana unda bitta xato qilmagan. Tipi miss yo'q ikkalamizda ham, qo'pol xato ham yo'q ikkalamizda, qo'pol xato. Va game reytingga totdi. O'ynagan o'yin ma'lum 1850 reyting bo'ladi deb o'yladim. Men endi bu ozgina fantastik 1850 reyting bo'ladi deb o'ylashim. Bu esa 2350 reyting deb o'ylabman. Lekin yaxshi 1850 reyting. Meni maksimal reytingim 350 bo'lgan. Boshlang'ich guruhga 1850 reyting beryapti. Yaxshi lekin. Xullas, shunaqa o'yin bo'ldi. 3200 reytingga qarshi. Agar video yoqqan bo'lsa, albatta like bosing. Keyingi o'yinda Grandmaster 2008 reytingga qarshi ko'raman. Hammaga xayr.